afternoon and it's kind of dreary outside, so you know, we just want to stay in all day and watch movies and eat popcorn. So I'm going to show you how to make my famous homemade popcorn. It's super easy and simple, but it's delicious. So you'll only need a couple of things. In popcorn seeds, I get this at Costco. Obviously, it's huge. You're never going to run out. Popcorn bowl, you got to have that. Salt, butter, and coconut oil. So to start off, you just got to light your stove here, turn it on about medium. And I just threw a spoon of coconut oil in here. A little spoon. That's all I did. And so then I just let it melt. And then I just am going to pour in just however much popcorn I want. So, you know, sometimes you don't really know how much to plan for. Sometimes you want to eat a lot. Or I eat a lot, I'm not gonna lie. So I just dump it in just a little bit to cover the bottom. And that's all to start. And the next thing I do is I just put a lid on the top and I just wait for it to get warm. Yum, yum, yum. So one thing I do while the popcorn is getting warm is I just get about 2 tablespoons of butter and I put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds to melt it, just while I'm waiting for the rest of it to heat up. Shake it around. I have a gas stove, so I can't like scrape it here on the bottom, but just kind of shake it over the top so it doesn't scratch the stove or scratch my pots. And just shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. So once it gets hot, I usually turn the stove down to very, very low, and then it's easily just gonna pop there and it's not gonna burn, but I'm still gonna shake it. Now, it's pretty done. I'm probably gonna get a few stragglers pop in there, but I'm gonna get it off the heat. And it's probably gonna pop and blow up all over the place, but you know. There we go. Yep. There it went. Whoop! Yep, still popping. This is kind of hard to do with just one person, but we'll make it work. So, melted butter, kind of drizzle it on there. Shake it up a little bit. Drizzle some on there. Shake it up. You're just gonna get some salt. Put some salt on it, shake it up. Taste it, you never know. Perfect. It's super easy. Go ahead and make it at home on your Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, Saturday evening, any day of the week for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. We all know we are a fan of popcorn and we'll eat it all the time. So I never buy it from the store anymore. I just make it at home and it's better for us and a little bit more healthy, I should say, since we don't use vegetable oil, it's coconut oil. Yum, yum. Have a wonderful day, everybody.